Hi, I'm Dr. Leslie Gordon, co-founder and medical director of the Progeria Research Foundation, but mostly I'm Sam's mom. Sam had progeria, an ultra-rare premature aging disease. Babies with progeria are usually born looking healthy, but soon experience growth failure, loss of body fat and hair, and most importantly, they develop a rapid form of atherosclerosis or heart disease. This is the same heart disease that kills millions of Americans each year in their 60s, 70s, and 80s. But for these children, rapid aging causes them to die on average in their mid-teens. When Sam was diagnosed in 1999, there was nothing out there for him or any of the other children. Sadly, this is a very common scenario for ultra-rare diseases. So my husband, sister, and I created the Progeria Research Foundation, or PRF, to find the cause, treatments, and cure for progeria. Like so many other families affected by a child with a rare or ultra-rare disease, we knew that interest from commercial drug developers would be a huge hurdle. So we got to work on the research ourselves. In 2003, in partnership with the amazing National Institutes of Health research team of Dr. Francis Collins, we found the cause of progeria. A single genetic letter is misspelled and leads to the creation of a disease-causing protein we call progerin. This random genetic disease affects only 1 in 20 million people. Today, there are 18 children with progeria in the US and about 400 worldwide. We formed the PRF International Progeria Patient Registry, followed the science, and in 2007, we launched the first ever progeria clinical drug trial in partnership with Boston Children's Hospital. We flew children in from around the world to test a drug called lonafarnib, or Zokinvy. Our clinical trials led to a partnership with a small company named Eiger Biopharmaceuticals in 2018, and in 2020, the first ever FDA-approved drug for the treatment of progeria. With Zokinvy's approval, the FDA also awarded something called a Rare Pediatric Disease Priority Review Voucher, or PRV, to that biotech company. The PRV was sold for $95 million, and the proceeds of that sale were split equally between Eiger and the Progeria Research Foundation. Zokinvy increases the average lifespan for children with progeria by about 4.5 years, or about 30%. We've moved the needle from mid-teens to late teens, with more and more patients living into their early 20s. The sale of the PRV provided vitally important funds to ensure patients can access this life-extending treatment. But that's not nearly enough. All children and young adults with progeria deserve better treatments and the cure so they can live long, happy, and healthy lives. But research, drug development, and clinical trials are challenging and extremely expensive endeavors. The sale of the PRV provided PRF with the funds to accelerate our research efforts as we get closer to the cure for progeria. The PRV program is absolutely vital for those of us working to bring advances to children and families affected by ultra-rare and rare pediatric diseases. It generates interest in drug development. It supports research for diseases that would otherwise be left behind. It offers hope for children who might not otherwise see a treatment or a cure for their ultra-rare or rare condition. The existence of this priority review voucher incentive program is a game changer for the rare and ultra-rare disease communities. Thank you.